Executive Report, OpenAI Revenue Milestone and Strategic Position in Healthcare AI Today. As brief, OpenAI just announced reaching an annualized revenue run rate of $10 billion as of June 2025. This comes off the back of accelerating enterprise, developer, and consumer channel adoption. We examine what this means for the company's financial performance and strategic footprint within the healthcare sector. 1. Financial milestone overview. As of June 2025, OpenAI has reached an annualized revenue run rate of $10 billion, nearly doubling from $5.5 billion reported in December 2024. This reflects strong momentum across all customer segments. Notably, OpenAI now serves over 3 million enterprise clients and approximately 20 million paying users across all tiers. Despite this impressive top-line growth, OpenAI continues to operate at a loss, reporting $5 billion in net losses in 2024 due to heavy investments in infrastructure and model development. However, the company projects profitability by approximately 2029 as it scales monetization efforts and lowers inference costs. 2. Healthcare segment, estimated contribution and strategic footprint. While OpenAI has not officially broken out revenue by industry, we estimate that its Biopharma, Medtech, and CRO business contributes $700 million to $1.4 billion annually, or roughly 7% to 14% of OpenAI's total R. This figure is derived from an assumed 2% share of OpenAI's 3 million enterprise clients, or roughly 60,000 to 120,000 healthcare-focused users. An average annual revenue per client of $10,000, reflecting a mix of developer API users, premium enterprise tools, and professional services. Additional strategic licensing, custom model integrations, and healthcare-tailored APIs likely contributing $100 million to $200 million in high-value contracts. Primary use cases across healthcare include clinical trial protocol generation, medical writing automation, internal R&D knowledge retrieval, regulatory and compliance documentation, real-world evidence or WE analysis, and AI-powered patient and provider chatbots, many of which are now integrated with ChatGPT Health. 3. Predicted top 5 healthcare buyers of OpenAI solutions 2025 to 2026. Within our estimated $700 million $1.4 billion healthcare segment, the top 5 enterprise healthcare buyers are likely to contribute 37% to 54% of that revenue, equating to $260 million $756 million annually. 1. Pfizer. We expect Pfizer to be OpenAI's largest healthcare buyer, contributing an estimated 10% to 15% of healthcare-related revenue, translating to $70 million $210 million annually. Pfizer has historically led in digital R&D adoption and previously partnered with AI providers like Tempus. Likely use cases include trial design optimization, protocol generation, and medical documentation automation. 2. Roche, Genentech. With significant investment in AI pathology and diagnostics, Roche and Genentech may contribute 8%-12% of OpenAI's healthcare revenue, or $56 million $168 million. Anticipated use cases include computational pathology, report generation, and medical affairs automation. 3. IQVIA. As one of the world's largest CROs, IQVIA is well-positioned to be a major buyer, likely accounting for 8% to 10% of healthcare-related revenue, or $56 million $140 million. Their use cases are broad, including clinical trial matching, real-time AI assistant support, and sponsored data services. 4. Johnson & Johnson Janssen. J&J is expected to contribute 6% to 9% of healthcare revenue, i.e., $42 million $126 million with deployments in real-world data analysis, regulatory documentation, and support for surgical and medical device divisions. 5. CVS Health, Aetna. CVS, Aetna could generate 5% to 8% of OpenAI's healthcare ARR, equaling $35 million 112M. These revenues would be driven by payer-facing chat, bot deployments, plan benefit navigation tools, and administrative workflow automation. Total combined contribution from top 5. These 5 buyers alone are projected to generate between $260 million and $756 million annually, making them the anchor clients in OpenAI's healthcare vertical. Wildcard: secondary healthcare buyers lower volume, strategic impact. In addition to the top 5, several smaller but highly specialized companies are expected to become meaningful contributors. Flatiron Health, estimated $10 million, $25 million annually from AI-powered oncology workflows and structured EHR extraction. Verily, estimated $15 million, $30 million from longitudinal data platforms and digital clinical trials. GE Healthcare, estimated $10 million, $20 million from radiology and imaging. 𝗪𝗪𝗟𝗡. Medtronic, estimated $8 million, $15 million from device integration, user interface AI, and patient education tools. 4. Strategic risks and opportunities. Healthcare is increasingly adopting 𝗪𝗪𝗟𝗡 in regulated and research-centric settings. OpenAI's cloud-agnostic partnerships, Azure, Google Cloud, enable flexible deployment across clinical and enterprise environments. Potential for deeper integration with CROs and hospital systems that manage large volumes of data and documentation. Risks: healthcare requires strict compliance. HIPAA, GXP, FDA 21 CFR Part 11. Areas where domain-specialized models, for example, MedPalm, Biopt, Hippocratic AI, may have an advantage. Rising competition from focused LLM startups targeting biomedical language, clinical trial automation, and synthetic patient generation. Conclusion: OpenAI's ARR milestone of $10 billion underscores the mainstream adoption of its LLM technology. Its Biopharma, Medtech, and CRO vertical, contributing an estimated $700 million to $1.4 billion, is both a high-value growth area and a proving ground for domain-specific AI tools. The top 5 buyers: Pfizer, Roche, Genentech, IQVIA, J&J, and CVS, are likely to define early enterprise-scale success in healthcare. Future gains will depend on OpenAI's ability to meet regulatory requirements, tailor 𝗪𝗪𝗟𝗡 for clinical accuracy, and deliver integration-ready solutions across the healthcare spectrum. Thank you for your attention. For more insights on the business of AI, stay tuned.